Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for once again clicking over to this video. In this video, we're going to delve into the pronunciations of all the numbers from 1 to 10. We're going to look into the pronunciations of the numbers from 1 to 10, how to pronounce them accurately in American accent. So we're going to look into that. So I have the slide here from 1 to 10. So we're going to look into the IPA transcriptions of the phonetic symbols for representation of each of the numbers here. Alright, so here, without further ado, let's get started. Let's delve into the first number. 1. 1. So as you can see that while in orthographic form, that is original written text form, the number is spelled with the O sound, with the O vowel, the O letter, O-N-E. But contrary to its IPA form, it's written as W, then followed with the schwa vowel sound. There are basically two kind of schwa vowel sounds here. First is written with the V upside down, and the next can be written as, just give me a moment. So the next vowel can be written as, there are basically two pronunciation of, so I'm going to write it down here to show you. This is the one which you see right here, and the other is the upside down small e. It's called the schwa vowel. So 1, 1, 1. The next one is 2, 2, 2. The next one is with the, or let's say with the voiceless th, it's pronounced. So notice how my tongue comes in between the two teeth. This is known as the voiceless th. That particular theta symbol in Greek represents the voiceless th sound. THREE. It's pronounced as 3, 3, 3. The R is clearly pronounced after the TH consonant. 3, 3. It's the elongated E sound. The symbol which you see I and followed with two dots. The two dots represents that it's elongated E. Next, 4, 4, 4. The next is 5, 5, 5. As you see, there's a diphthong I in 5. The next one is 6, 6, 6. To pronounce the S consonant, you're gonna have to make sure that the sides of your tongue, these two side portions of the tongue, kind of touches the sides of the teeth here. 6, 6, 6. The next is 7, 7, 7. Same here, you can see the schwa vowel here, in ven. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. The next one is 8, 8, 8. Next, 9, 9. Here also you see the diphthong I, as in 9, 9. And the final is 10, 10, 10. It's pronounced with the aspirated T sound. T. 10. So once again, I go with pronouncing all the numbers from 1 to 10. So here I go. While pronouncing 1, you can notice how my lips flare away from the teeth, as if you were to make the stricture of the oo. Ooh. 1, 1, 1. For many Indian speakers, there is a tendency for making the 1 as it's kind of like labiodental, which seems to be like the stricture seems to be like V. 1, 1, 1, 1. But this is not how you pronounce in American English. To make the stricture, you're gonna have to tighten up your lips into a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can also hold the T in 8. Instead of releasing the final T in 8, you can also hold the T. 8, 8, 8. Again, this is not quite choppy or it's like unnatural in American English. You can hold the T, saying as 8, That's all for today's video. If you have understood the concept up to here, then I recommend you to watch this video the second time, and don't forget to hit that like button and also do subscribe to the channel for more useful related content like this. Thank you.